Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question I get asked a lot. When was Tesla founded? Before we dive into the answer, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible story of Tesla. It's a company that has completely revolutionized the automotive industry and is now a major player in the clean energy sector. So, when was Tesla founded? The answer is July 1st, 2003. Tesla was founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning in San Carlos, California. They named the company after Nikola Tesla, the famous inventor and electrical engineer. Eberhard and Tarpenning's vision was to create an electric car that was both affordable and high-performing. They believed that electric cars were the future of transportation, and they wanted to prove that they could be practical and desirable. In 2008, Tesla released its first electric car, the Roadster. The Roadster was a sports car that could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. It was also able to travel up to 244 miles on a single charge. The Roadster was a huge success, and it helped to put Tesla on the map as a serious player in the electric car market. In the years that followed, Tesla would go on to release a number of other successful electric vehicles, including the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Today, Tesla is the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. The company has sold millions of cars and has a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. Tesla's success is a testament to the vision and determination of its founders. They believed in a future where electric cars would be the norm, and they worked tirelessly to make that vision a reality. So, there you have it. Tesla was founded on July 1st, 2003, by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. The company has since become the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer, and its success is a testament to the vision and determination of its founders. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.